Everyone is panicking that AI will steal developers' jobs. Tech Twitter is in chaos, CS students are switching majors, but they're all dead wrong. Here's why coding is not dead. While learning in 2025 might be the smartest move you ever make. First, let us address the elephant in the room. Go anywhere online and it's pure chaos. Men's comparing CS students to the unemployed. AI just built an entire app in 30 seconds, clickbait. Your uncle asking why you're still coding when ChatGPT can do better. I get it, because when you see AI generate a working website from a single prompt, it feels like the game is over. But I will show you what nobody tells you about what actually happens behind the scenes. Yes, AI can pump out code faster than a developer surviving on caffeine. It can generate designs, write tests, even debug basic stuff. But this is the reality check nobody wants to admit. AI doesn't understand humans. When your client says, make it pop, AI thinks RGB colors. But you know what they mean? Make it convert better. When users are rage quitting your checkout flow, AI sees code. For you see psychology. Developers need to know that they don't just type syntax. They read people's mind, solving business problems, and creating experience that makes human feel something. AI can copy patterns, but it cannot innovate solutions for problems it has never seen before. And here is where it gets really interesting. The tech world moves at a light speed. New frameworks drop every month. User expectation changes overnight. Suddenly, everyone wants a voice interface or AI integration. As humans, we adapt. When React 19 comes out with breaking changes, we figure it out. Clients want to completely pivot the UX because some competitor went viral. We make it happen. But AI, it's stuck. I'm majorly stuck with whatever I learned during training. When something genuinely new emerges, and trust me, it will, you need human creativity to bridge that gap. Let me actually tell you what happens when developers use AI tools in the real world. Personally, seeing AI suggests jQuery 2025, like seriously. Mixing React with Angular in the same components and large cases of security vulnerability that just pumps out open like your Instagram story. But well, every single AI generated solution needs a human developer to review it, debug it, optimize it, and say absolutely not when it tries to use depreciated methods from 2018. But here's the plot twist, and this really isn't a bad news. This is the biggest opportunity in tech history. Smart developers aren't competing with AI, they are partnering with the use of AI. They use AI to handle boring, repetitive stuff like boilerplate code, basic styling, simple functions, and then focus your human brain on stuff that actually matter, like creative problem solving, user experience design, system architecture, and of course understanding business models. This might sound crazy, but 2025 is actually the best time to ever learn coding. And here is why. AI handles grunt work. No more spending hours on repetitive tasks. Focus on creativity. You can concentrate on solving interesting problems. Fast learning curve. AI can explain concepts, debug your code, and be your 24/7 tutor. Higher value work. Companies need people who can think strategically, not just type code. Yes, developers who thrive are not the ones who can type the fastest. They are the ones who can think the smartest. So no, coding is not dead. It's evolving. And developers who embrace this evolution might learn to dance with AI instead of fighting it. AI isn't your replacement, it's your superpower. The question isn't whether you should learn to code. The question is, are you ready to become the architect of tomorrow's digital world? Drop a like, drop a comment if you're ready to prove everyone wrong, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.